this evening. Thank you. Just to recap for those who are just joining us, NBC News has confirmed with the city manager rather, of Calabasas, California, that Kobe Bryant, one of the biggest names in the NBA, has unfortunately perished in a helicopter crash in Calabasas, California. Of course, we're going to have much more on all of this and the life of Kobe Bryant, remembering him. All of that will be ahead tonight on NBC Nightly News. We have our reporters heading to the field as well to